Hey guys, welcome back to the Dabbler's Den. Just back for a real quick gear review. This is for Onewind's gear hammock. It's super lightweight, it's super small, and super inexpensive. If you're looking for a solution to storing your gear when you're out hammock camping, one of these could be a fantastic solution. And so let me go ahead and show you this, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I went ahead and set this up. Super simple. It just has a real lightweight paracord, and you can see here, you just loop it through and attaches through this little eyelet here. And again, it just kind of, you could, depending on how you want to do it, you can hang it from a tree, you can hang it underneath your hammock like I did here. It's just a way to keep your gear off the ground, keep your gear close by. Right now I just have the full-size underquilt hanging out in there, but if I had a pack, I could put that in there as well. And you can see, super simple, super inexpensive, a great solution if you're looking for a way to keep your gear off the ground. They're using the same fabric that they use for their hammock. It's that hexagonal nylon, and yeah, another great product from Onewind. Thanks for watching. Bye.